How can $1,300 a month be called poverty in the US, but in Nigeria, $90 a month is considered enough? Does that make any sense? The global poverty line is not just unfair, it's deeply misleading. Let's break it down. In the United States, below 1,300 per month equals poverty. In the UK, below 1,190 pounds per month equals poverty. In France, below 1,300 euros per month equals poverty. Germany, below 1,000 euros per month equals poverty. But in Nigeria, according to the World Bank, below $3 per day, that's $90 per month, which is 140,000 naira at today's exchange rate, equals poverty. Seriously? You expect someone to live a whole month in Nigeria on 140k with inflation, fuel subsidy removal, currency crash, and food prices through the roof. Now to the National Bureau of Statistics. Your last poverty line update was in 2019. That's 6 years ago. You know things have changed drastically since COVID-19, inflation, and naira devaluation. Let me give you just two constructive criticisms. Number one, outdated figures. Your figure is outdated. Your data is stuck in 2019. Number two, underestimation of poverty. Even the World Bank's number is low, and you have gone even lower. So what should be done? I will suggest 5 solutions for you. 1. Update poverty line annually. Nigerians deserve real-time data as it is hot, so that policymakers can include it in their budgets. Number 2, adjust for inflation. Calculate what basic needs actually cost today, like food, water, transportation, housing, healthcare, education, clothing. Number 3, combine monetary poverty with multidimensional poverty index to produce a more accurate value. Poverty is more than just lack of paper money. You already know that. 4, stop relying on World Bank to give you the poverty line of your country. They don't live in Nigeria, neither do their staffs live in Nigeria. Number 5, be realistic and honest. Your job is to fix a fair and accurate threshold, not to protect egos or pride. They let policymakers worry about how to elevate Nigerians above it. The poverty line should expose reality, not hide it. Stop setting low value just to make things look better on paper. Please like this video, follow for more, and share it until it reaches the people who need to hear it. We are not just complaining, we are offering solutions.